Alright, for those of you that for some reason have a Palm Pilot, I require one for a certain aspect of my work. It is frustrating because I can't sync it with Windows 7, and my Windows XP VirtualBox I have numerous issues just getting it to work. It's a pain. So ran over to my wife's Linux PC, and after some work you can get this up and running. So essentially what you're looking for is you are looking for the program Jpilot, which you can install through Aptitude. There's Jpilot and there's like Jpilot extensions or whatever. I just did the regular Aptitude install. Jpilot worked fine. So essentially what you're going to do is I have a USB connection. I haven't tried this with a serial connection since I don't have one of those. So right now I have my Palm Pilot plugged in right now, and it's not going to show up in anything right now. It's yep, as you can see, only my headphones are showing up, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the hot sync button on my Palm Pilot, and you'll notice there, boom, shows up device 13. It won't show up that high. I've been obviously having some issues, and this is why I'm recording it. So, and then we're going to go ahead and show that LS or TTY USB 0 is showing up, and we'll show that when you push the sync button, it's going to put that on TTY USB 0. So it also does now attach TTY USB 1. I don't know if USB 1 works. I'm going to use USB 0. So essentially, once you have Jpilot open, under Preferences, Settings, make sure TTY USB 0 is selected in there, which I think it is by default. So now first, before anything works, you have to install the user, and you know, so there I managed to get it before it timed out, but you install user, it'll finish installing user information, etc. Now if we do the tail USB, you'll notice visor device disconnected at the bottom there. That means that it has disconnected, and if we do LS USB, not showing up. Even though it is plugged in, doesn't recognize it until you hit that button. So we're going to go back to Palm Pilot, hit that button right there. So now it's going to show back up in here, and if we go back to tail, it's going to show up now attached TTY USB 0, as you can see right here. And now TTY USB 0 is showing up in here. That means that we can now go ahead and install. I have a program I'm going to install there. Close, and hit the sync button, hit close. There we go. Whatever, we're going to sync anyway on that. And there we go. That is how to get that ancient piece of technology up and running. This is Ubuntu, the latest version, I believe, so it should still work. It just takes a little bit of finagling. For some reason, I've had issues before where I've had to restart the computer, where it just seems like it would show it was connected to USB 0 here, but I would do a grep TTY USB 0, nothing would show up. Obviously nothing's showing up now because it's not connecting, but even if I hit the connect button, it would not show up. I just have to reboot my PC a few times, starts working again. So anyway, that's a short video to let you guys know.